Hey guys, this is Deepa Suresh. Welcome back to Deep's Kitchen. How are you all doing, guys? I'm sure everybody is doing good, and I'm super excited to be back on YouTube. So I'm sure most of you guys know why there wasn't any video from my channel. Why did I take such a long gap, long interval? I was actually conceiving a baby and got my baby delivered on April 25th, 2018. So I was actually blessed with a baby boy who is so cute and adorable, and me and my baby boy is doing really good, and that's the reason I wasn't able to post any videos. Anyways, he is now around 3 months 15 days old, and these days I'm getting some time, so I decided to start up with my video posting once again. So anyways, here I am with a cleaning vlog. So today I'm planning to clean up my daughter's book shelf, which has 4 shelves. So first I have took out all the books from the shelf, and I gave a mild wipe to ensure that there is no dirt or any dust. And then now I am started with categorize all the books, like what and all I need, what and all I don't need. I'm just going to keep them separately so that I can again arrange the shelf neatly. So I just categorizing in the way like I took out all her old books and keeping them separately, and then I'm keeping all her activity books like story books, drawing books, and all separately. And these are all her grade 1 books. So now she is in grade 2. So I think it took around half an hour for me to clean up only her books, and later then I started with cleaning all her stationery stuff like book like pencils, pens, sketches, crayons, scissors, cutters, everything. So I think it will take another half an hour for me to clean it off. So as of now I cannot go out to buy any organizing stuff, and I don't have anything in the home to keep all these stationery organized. So I just decided to go with the stuff that I have in the home itself to organize all these things. So it's a really very cheap way, and it looks really good. So let me share that idea with you guys. So first I am taking off all the crayons and also her poster paints. I kept it in a tray, and then next what I'm going to do is I just took few use and throw paper cups, okay, and I'm going to categorize everything in this paper cup. And I also have a plastic tray over here. Usually we get this plastic tray when you buy sweets from the store. They give in this plastic tray, and I'm going to keep all those paper cups inside this tray, and I'm going to categorize all the stuff. So in the first cup I keeping all the candles, and then batteries in the other one. So these batteries she usually use in her music table and also in music bike, everything. And in the other cup I'm kept all the sharpeners and erasers, and this one balloons, etc. And next I'm going to take another cup. Actually she had decorated like this with a sponge paper and woolen pom-pom, and I'm going to keep scissors, cutters, and small torch in this. And I have another cup in which I kept this painting brushes, pencils, etc. In this basket we have chalk pieces, and this one we have crayons, color pencils, sketches, color papers, water painting, etc. And we kept some marbles in another tray, and in this box I have all the crayons. So this is how I have organized all the stationeries using the stuff that I have at home. And in this one I have all the poster paints, and here we have all the books categorized, and these are the books that we are going to throw away. And now we are going to arrange everything in the shelf, and my daughter is here to help me out. So she's keeping marbles first, and then her paint brushes, all the stationery stuff, all the sketches, crayons, followed with chalk piece, crayons again, and her crayon box. And another shelf we are going to arrange all the books and her files, etc. these are color papers for craft work and labels. All her activity books are arranged, and I'm going to keep all her files. And she also wanted few of her school books from grade 1, so I am just keeping that also over here. She don't want to throw away few of her grade 1 books, and that's all. So I have arranged all the files, books in the shelf and all the stationery in other shelf, and remaining 2 shelves are empty as of now. Maybe I could use it in future for utilizing some other stuff. And my baby boy is very nicely playing over here with his play gym, and it took around nearly 1.5 hours for me to clean up this 4 shelf, and now it looks super organized and very nice. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. Catch you guys soon with another interesting recipe or vlog. Until then, bye bye.